holler at you for a minute. Because if you were listening to this podcast and over again, you found yourself thinking, I know I belong at that level. And yet, there's still a gap between where you are right now and what you know you are capable of and how people perceive you. If that's true, right now, I need you to come with me all the way to the front. You, yes, I'm talking to you. The woman who changed history, they're not remembered for playing nice. The ones right now who are disrupting the shit strew that is happening in the public square, let me tell you something. They're not playing it safe. They're not giving their keynote in corporate speak or hiding behind a title or an organization. No, girl, you are going to be remembered for your courage to risk it all and say the whole truth, to speak your truth, your boldest and most urgent ideas, speaking those into existence. That is what we're going to remember you for, and that is what is necessary right now. Also, low-key, that is the power of the whole damn talk. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Listen to me. If a keynote masterclass walked into the room and it met Brene Brown's therapist with a side of Jay-Z's chutzpah, yeah. And also, she could help you say the thing that has been on your chest for years. She'd be the whole damn talk. You walk in with your strong conviction, but it's unspoken, and a rough outline, and you walk out with a talk that sells and sounds like you. A mic drop one-liner, and girl, a voice your ancestors are going to be doing praise dances to, okay? And we do it all in 3 hours. How? Listen, I'm glad you asked. The boss of my life is a little tank. He's 3 years old, and that basically means I don't have time to play silly games, okay? It also means that I have a cap on my availability. 5 seats each month. So if you're booked to keynote and you want one of those seats to work one-on-one with me, you need right now to head to madamespeakersays.com. It's madam with an E at the end of madamespeakersays.com. Go there, book a call to speak with me directly, because girl, we are so hungry for what you have to say, and your talk is waiting.